You struggled in the past with germinating your seeds like I did? If so, you're in luck. But before we get started, there's one thing I want to let you know. I put a link down in the description below for this year's Botanical Journey playlist. It's in real time. You can follow step by step throughout the season. That way, you do not miss anything. I wanted to change it up a little bit this year to increase my chances of success. So, one thing I'm changing is I'm not going to be using tap water. I placed some buckets outside to collect the rain, the ice, the snow. Hopefully, we'll be able to use that throughout the whole seed starting season. So, let us know. The second thing is I changed up the mix that I'm going to use, the growing medium. Because last year I had a lot of fungus gnats and mites. So I'm going to change it up and I'm going to be going with the Sunshine Mix number 4. First you want to moisten your soil. So I'm going to fill this bowl real quick. Of that Sunshine Mix. This bowl fits perfectly for filling the trays I need. I'm going to add that rainwater. I'm going to mix. And you'll be able to feel the consistency coming together. Get that. No water dripping out, but it holds together. Get the trays that we're going to use. We'll start filling them up. Alright, let's fill these trays up. We're going with the 1804. That means there'll be 18 4-packs. And then we'll fill these with dirt, soil. And you want to come back across, lightly press the soil down. Create an area for the seeds to rest on. Alright, let's get the seeds going. Let's start some marjoram. These seeds need light to germinate, so we're going to put a coating of vermiculite on top. That way we can surface sow the seeds right on top of this to lock in the moisture. Now we can place the seeds right on top. Try to get a few in each. And if we have to separate these out later, we will. Check back with these in a few weeks. Subscribe and good things will come your way.